Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is a Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca
And in the Tuscan Hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Bagni di Lucca have really, I think it's really pretty this winter, and it seems to be actually rather full of life. And here we are in front of the Teatro Accademico di Bagni di Lucca,
The few lights.
where Puccini performed as a young man.
Yes. Celia, it's a quite interesting combination. They put a Christian nativity scene under a pagan statue. In Italy, on the 31st of December, New Year's Eve, at midnight we eat lentils, and you would ask yourself why. There is that they bring good luck, especially financial good luck, and so there are a lot of recipes with lentils. I have my family recipe that I'm going to do today. Also, some people eat lentils with cotechino, which is sausage, quite fat, that you eat mostly on the 31st of December. We didn't eat cotechino when we were children, but we ate lentils. And my mother had a recipe that I am going to do today. And this recipe hasn't got a name, it was just the lentils that we had the 31st of December. So, well, if you have a name, you can name them if you like it. To cook our dish, we need the following ingredients. We need, first of all, lentils. Then we need tomatoes. We need garlic. And the most important thing, we need sage and rosemary that we got from our garden. And obviously olive oil and a pinch of salt. Now I rinse the lentils and I put them in this saucepan with lots of water. And we bring it to the boil, and depends on the lentils. This one requires about 25 minutes. And now, while the lentils are cooking, we prepare the sauce. Now we have to squash cloves of garlic. And we wait until it starts sizzling. Okay, now the garlic is sizzling here. And so we got to add the rosemary. And the sage. Now with the heat, the rosemary and the sage, they release all the essential oils. They get infused in the olive oil that we have in this shallow pan. And the flavor passes from the oil into the lentils when we add them. Now it's time to add the tomato sauce. the lentils are cooking and we add salt. Put a couple of coffee spoons of salt and then I adjust the seasoning at the end. Now I want to remove the rosemary because the needles are not very nice, so I just move the wood and some of the needles there. The other one. Okay, and I leave the sage because the sage is actually very nice to eat. Now the lentils are ready and we're going to turn the heat off. I'm now going to add lentils to the sauce. Now we go to mix the lentils. And I'm going to season a bit, so the amount of salt depends how you like it. We like it kind of medium amount of salt there. So we want to cook it for another 3-4 minutes until it's all kind of amalgamated and they are ready to be served. We can add a little bit of parsley to garnish. And now we've got to test it. It's very good. The aroma from the sage and rosemary is quite intense. It's a rather pleasant thing in this dish. And I love them. And what can I say now? Happy New Year. Thank you for watching and a super thank you to our subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, please press the button. It's a great way to support our channel and it's free.